Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 to Outlook categories for sales workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 to Outlook categories for sales workflows, begin by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Next, access the Dynamics 365 application within Outlook. You can find this by clicking on the Dynamics 365 icon in the navigation pane. Once the application opens, sign in with your Dynamics 365 credentials. Next, navigate to the Sales section within Dynamics 365. Select Settings and then choose Customization. Within the Customization menu, click on Entities. Locate the entity associated with your sales workflows, typically opportunities or leads. Scroll down to find the Fields section. Here, you will need to create a new field for Outlook categories. Click on New Field and label it Outlook Category. Set the data type to text. Be sure to save your changes to the entity. Now return to the Settings menu. Select Processes to create a workflow. Click on New to start a new process. Set the process type as Workflow. Choose the entity you just updated, such as Opportunities. Define the workflow trigger, such as when a record is created. Add a step to update the record. Choose the Outlook category field you created earlier. Set the value to your desired Outlook category. Save the workflow and publish your changes. Now, return to Outlook and refresh the Dynamics 365 integration. You can do this by closing and reopening Dynamics 365 within Outlook. After refreshing, test the workflow by creating a new opportunity in Dynamics 365. Verify that the corresponding Outlook category is applied automatically. By following these steps, you will successfully connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 to Outlook categories for your sales workflows. This will improve your organization and tracking in your sales processes. You are now equipped to enhance your sales workflow efficiency using Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.